Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we are trying to go into the uh, schedule graphics or schedule appearances. But before doing that, we'll go to check this, correct this material name. We'll go to sorting and we will change it by material name and sort it. It will be sorted by the material name. Okay. But this is not what I want. I'll go to the material name and I'll click on this and I'll press OK. What we have else is that to check none and to have something like this. But you see that the volume varies, the area varies. Let's add these also. But it will change it. You see, we have to go to here and change it from here. This is what it's worrying us. And okay, can see it each by family, by grand total. So this is not what we want, you see. So this will go to the footer, this goes to the footer, so to have blank line, and to have to not have footer. Let's not have them footer. Right now it's something like this, you see. But let's have the footer of material name. You see, we have footer of material name. Yeah, this is good. Right now we are okay with it. Okay, so before to know how it looks like, how we can change this material takeoff, we should make a sheet first. Where we can do it is going to the project browser and go to the sheets. We have sheets, right click on it, new sheet. Okay, new sheet, and I will go with the A0 metric. Okay, you can have something like this. So we can add it. We will go search here again to the schedules and quantities. If something like this, just put the plus and you have wall material takeoff. Just click on it, and drag it here. You see, it's something very tall or long. Let's add it here. You might say this is very long. How you can make a space for it or a room for it? Let's come to here and we'll put it like this, and you can see something like this will appear in the center or in the middle of it. It tells you what. Let me come to here. It says split it. But it doesn't show to you. Just click on it and it will split it again. Well, I am saying that this is again not enough. We will go to here and we will split it again. You see, I split it again, but still it's too much. Why this happened? Because we have all the things by air, by the material name. This causes the problem. We will go delete these, and we will go to the wall material takeoff and change the sorting. We'll change it to the family and type and make it none. Okay, and you see that none is appearing. Let's go to the sorting and grouping, make it area and material name. Right now it's okay, but we can itemize the things also. Let's go itemize every instance and it will itemize the things for you. It will be less, I think. Okay, so let's what we have to do is that, yeah, this is it, I think. And let's add it to the sheet. When we go to the schedule and add it, we'll come to here again. It's too long again. We have to make something for this. The sheet is small, I think. So what we will do is that I'm going to the center of Let's find the center of it. Can't find the center even. It's weird. Sometimes this problem appears. Why? You might say why. Let's delete it. We will go to the sheets. We have the sheets. You see this? In the schedules, it created 3 things. We have to delete these inside it. Okay, I have deleted it, and right now I will take it off here. Right now it appears. You see? The middle one appears. So this was the mistake that happened. So let's divide it. So divide this also. See, it's still too long. You see, we are making these mistakes to change the wall material takeoff and make it a little bit more organizing. Okay, I will just remove itemize every instance so it will be shorter. Right now it's shorter. Okay, I removed it. This was the problem. So let's go to the material takeoff, and right now it's smaller than before, and take it off and split it, and yeah, right now is correct. Yep. So let's come to here. Let's make it 1, and let's press this one. Make it longer as the others, so it looks like something, but it doesn't show. You might say why it doesn't show. Later I will tell you why. Okay, right now we will just edit the things. You can see that we have things like this, but I want to change this. I want to be this longer. So what I'm going to do is click on this and have longer text, something like this. You see? So right now, when we make it longer, these disappeared. Why? Because it makes place for these. So why not try delete these and delete, and let's just bring this here. Let's bring it here, and let me show you how we can do it. Let's increase the material also, so make place for them. You see, everything is straight, it doesn't goes down. So right now, when I come to here and I'll see it's totally fitting the schedule. You see, these are the techniques you have to do. So sometimes we make mistakes. You can learn it, so you will not do the mistake. Okay. Right now we have something like this. You see, we can decrease the count like this. You see, this also, or we can. You see, it's coming down. Material area. So let's increase it. Material volume, like this. Right now it's very organized. You see, and you can have your sections, elevations. Okay, so it might this video get long, but it's what it is. We are learning here. Okay, so there's no comment. Okay, so we want to change the things. We will go to here, material takeoff. We have WT. Oh, sorry, it was by mistake. Let's change this to family and type. Let's come to here, and it will be family and type. Let's come to here, and WT. It brings us to 2 things. this and this. Let's come to here, click on this, and let's go to the appearance. You see, appearance. So it shows me that, let me go to the near so you can see it. Okay, and click on this. Let's have the appearance. See that we have grid lines. This is the between them. Let's see and remove it. It goes out from the sheet. You see, this is the appearance. Let's have this grid. We can have it beyond like this, or we can have it center line like this. It's depending on what you want. Okay, demolish it, or you want hidden lines like this, or you want hidden, or you want lines, only lines, or you want medium lines, which is normal one, overhead, or you want path of travel lines, or thin lines, or you would like to have wide lines, okay, like this. So this is how we can change it. We will go back to the thin lines. It tells me that grid in headers and footers and space. What does that mean is that, let me show you. Here you don't see any grid or footer here, isn't it? The line is not coming down. Let me just click on this and go to the appearance. And what I will do is to have grid in headers and footers and spaces. Right now it created a footer and header in the grid for them. If I go to here and go to the appearance, just deselect, I mean grid in headers, I don't like it, and we will not have it. The outline is the outside of it. It creates the outside of it. You see, the outside of this. There was not here. This was not here. Let's see it. What it happens if I remove it, or change make it demolished. You see, this is the demolished. It creates an outline. I like it like this. Yeah, it's very good. Okay, let's have it like this, and let's go to the blank row before data. Let's select this, and it doesn't give blank to the header. It goes to the title attached to it. You see, let's remove it, add a blank row, and we have a blank row. You see, we have these. I will not go through this. This is not our lesson for this one. We have show title for the text. We have graphics and text. Okay, I'm going to the text, show title. The title will disappear here. It was material takeoff. If I add it, this is all material takeoff. Let's show header. I'll remove the header. The header is removed, which is, we don't know what is the material family type count. Okay, we have title text, which is adding the schedule. This is the text font. We can change it. For example, I have this one before. This is the TW, and it changed the font. If you would like to change the font, you'll go to the annotate, and you have something like this, text types, and you have system text, and you can have schedule default and create a text for you, text test. Okay, we have something like this, and I'll change the color of it. Okay, something like this, and make it Gothic. Okay, then I'll make it, let's make it 4. Okay, And when I come to here, appearance, I can change the header, text test. This will be red. You see, the font type has changed the area of this one, of the header text. See how we can change it? So go annotate and go to the here, test, make it 2. See, right now it has been changed and is better. You see, this is very thick. We used wide lines here. We used thin lines. Right now it's thin. See, you can make the schedule default, or let's make all of them schedule default and press OK. When we go to the schedule default, let's make this all red. All will become red. You see, this is the nice thing about Revit. Okay, and let's go to the appearances. Yeah, that was all about the appearance in the schedules. I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.